don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
In the last video, we had created our email. Now, how to add subscribers. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to manually add subscribers. Firstly, if you have the list option in the menu itself, then you can just click it there and add a subscriber. But if you don't have it, just no need to worry. Then, what to do? Just click on audience. And then you will see view contact. Here I am having one contact and one of them are subscribers. I'll just click on them and then I'll be able to manipulate with my contact or subscribers if I want to add it. See, what is this toggle columns? I'll tell you later. First we'll just add a subscriber. Okay, now we are going to add a subscriber here. For example, wait, let's scroll down. See, here can you see email address is the most important one. You have to give it. See your star mark, and others it's not necessary. For example, I am putting a xyz at the rate gmail.com. For example, I'm putting this. Okay, here I'll put my name again xyz. I'll put last name abc. All this is all not needed. I'm not putting the address. See, on address what do you need? Street address, address line 2, the city, the state you are in, the postal and the zip code, and whatsoever it may be USA. Then if you want to change it, then you can just make the required things. Okay, for now I'm just leaving it. I'll keep it USA only. Phone number, you can put your phone number, it's not mandatory. Then that is birthday, and tags. Add a creator tag. If you want to add a tag, you can just add it over here. Add to create a tag, whatever tag you want to put. So just till 100 letters you can put a tag. Now you can just click on subscribe. Now you are subscribing this manually. You are not subscribing this automatically. This is manual subscription. How to watch this? What subscription people have actually added? How many subscribers we have added? Go into manage contacts. View contacts. See guys, now you would be able to see their email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, tags, email marketing source, all of them. So you would be able to see their information. Now what if you want to just toggle columns? Means you're toggling the column like first name, last name, you're removing it, you're adding something, then it is toggling columns. You're little changing their list, then it is toggling column. So this is all about how to add. See, go into add contacts and add a subscriber, then in the last just put subscribe. Then if you want to see, come again into manage contacts and just see that it is added or not. That's all you have to do just for adding a subscriber. So now I have manually added a subscriber. Later on we'll move in more depth. For now you try this thing, add a subscriber, a dummy subscriber, xyz whatsoever. Put any whatsoever email address and just do it, then it will be done. So it is so easy to just add a subscriber. For now we have added one subscriber in this video.